How to use our hire integrations. Do you want to make your recruitment process faster, smarter, and more effective? Zoek's integration solutions are designed to efficiently help you streamline your hiring process so that you never miss out on the best talent. Posting your jobs in bulk via one of our partner integrations helps to save time and enables you to track applications in one easy-to-manage dashboard. Some of the multi-poster integrations we offer include Broadbean, Logic Melon, Idaboo, Recruitive and URecruit. But don't worry if you prefer to use a different software. Let us know and we'll add it to our list. To set up a new integration, simply register for a Hire account on Zoek or log in to your existing profile. Click the Integrations option on the left-hand side of the Hire portal dashboard. Identify the multi-poster you wish to integrate your job vacancies with and copy and paste the integration key into the chosen web service. This accelerates your ability to advertise multiple job vacancies out to job seekers in just a few clicks and tracks all applications together in one place. Post your jobs on Zoek today via our trusted integrations to fill your vacancies fast.